Order of operations. The agreed upon sequence to complete parentheses, power/root, multiplication/division, addition/subtraction. Operations in math are the tools we use to work with variables and numbers and include but are not limited to addition, multiplication, power, the distributive property, the sine function, etc. To be fair, multiplication is an extension of addition and is repeated addition, and the distributive property is an extension of multiplying. All operations have a reverse: subtraction, division, root, arcsine, etc. Order of operations is the agreed upon set of rules so that we work math problems in the same progression. Here is an example. Given 6 minus 3 plus 2, is the answer 5 or 1? Here is another example. Is 12 divided by 6 times 2 equal to 4 or 1? Order of operations is required so that we evaluate these expressions in the same sequence and come to the same conclusion as to what the answer is. This is why order of operations is necessary. Now let's talk about the actual rules for the order of operations. Operations that are forward/reverse are equal in value when it comes to the order of operations and must be executed on the basis of which comes first from left to right. Forward/reverse operations include but are not limited to addition/subtraction, multiplication/division, power/root, distributive/factoring, sine/arcsine, cosine/arccosine, tangent/arctangent, etc. Parentheses are the wildcard in order of operations, as they require that we execute what is in the parentheses first. Let's start with our two examples. 6 minus 3 plus 2 involves opposite and equal operations, addition/subtraction, and therefore we execute the operation that comes first from left to right, and that is subtraction. So 6 minus 3 is 3, and 3 plus 2, which is 5. In the second example, we have the same situation of two opposite and equal operations of multiplication/division, and therefore must be executed in order of which comes first from left to right. So 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. Even in my honors classes, I can get students to split 50-50 on the answers to these two problems. The reason is the very sticky memory device for order of operations, Pemdas, P-E-M-D-A-S, which students learn stands for "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," in parentheses. In math, Pemdas stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So the trouble with this device is that the detail of equal and opposite operations, execute whichever comes first from left to right, is easily forgotten. Students, parentheses, and adults, end parentheses, see that multiplication is before division, parentheses, in Pemdas, P-E-M-D-A-S, end parentheses, and therefore want to evaluate addition first and get 3 plus 2, which is 5, and 6 minus 5, which is 1, which is wrong. Parentheses, if you don't believe this is correct, please type the expression into your calculator, which is programmed to work according to the correct order of operations, end parentheses. Order of operations is the agreed upon sequence to complete parentheses, power slash root, multiplication slash division, and addition slash subtraction. Related words: Pemdas, left to right, equal and opposite operations, forward and reverse operations,